Hello, 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 people from the internet. I hope you guys are doing well. I am Nikhil. I am from the Shardeum team. Welcome to BUIDLer Hour. This is going to be a dedicated weekly session from now on, talking about various things for developers, new builders on the Shardeum and people who want to build on Shardeum. Today, we have a lot to cover. We are going to cover some VM features. We are going to cover live smart contract deployment. We're going to cover NFTs, PayFi. We're also going to cover proof of community, India on chain, a lot of more stuff. And make sure you look at the comments also because we have something exciting for you there as well. So, welcome, folks. Welcome to BUIDLer Hour. So, as you guys know, we very recently launched the EVM Shardeum mainnet. Uh, Shardeum has now gone EVM mainnet, so all the familiarity of Ethereum with better performance due to Shardeum. Everything you know in the EVM world already now works from on Shardeum from day one. And now the goal is to make building on Shardeum and overall building on the EVM ecosystem cheaper, easy, and fast. So with the Shardeum EVM, we've got the smart contract functionality, the one-click contract deployment. We have the modular architecture. We've now the proof of stake consensus, and obviously with Shardeum comes high throughput. That means that the transaction fees forever stay low, and we have higher TPS. Uh, we're very excited with what this new Shardeum EVM is going to enable developers to build on. And yes, I have Shubham with me, who's our head of community. He's going to take us through uh, deploying a smart contract on the Shardeum EVM mainnet. Shubham, GM sir, good to have you.
GM everyone.
So Shubham, before we move ahead, if you're a student, new developer, new builder, just trying to get into the Web3, I think this is the part of the stream that you have to pay immense attention to because this is something that you will find immense use for when you're trying to deploy in the Shardeum EVM mainnet. So Shubham, all over to you.
Yeah. So let me share my screen and I'll take you everyone through how you can simply deploy a smart contract and create a token on Shardium network.
Awesome.
So I hope you all can see my screen. Yeah. Nikhil, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see you.
Okay, cool. So today we are going to deploy a smart contract using the Remix IDE. You guys can just Google the Remix IDE and open this link, remix.ethereum.org. And before doing that, just make sure you have a crypto wallet. So here I'm going to use MetaMask wallet, and just make sure that you have added Shardium mainnet network. So I've already done that, but if you want, you can just go to the Shardium docs, and there you can just click on the network. Sorry, yeah, the network setup, and you can just simply add your EVM mainnet network to your MetaMask wallet. So once you have added, just make sure that you have some tokens on your wallet to deploy the smart contract and pay the fee. Uh, yeah. Uh, so the first step is that you have to create you have to open the remix and you have to create a new a file. So I've already created one. It says demo token.sol. Once you have created, you can just start typing your code. So here so to begin with, I'm just going to use this spdx license, and I'll just paste it here. So this line will actually declare that the license of the code that we're using is spdx format. Here we are using the MIT license, which is a very primitive open source license. Remix and other tools will read this and will know that which code license we are using. Uh, so the next line will be typing pragma and solidity 0.8.20. Yeah. So here this tells the compiler which solidity version the file is written for. So the file that we created, this line will is telling the compiler that we are using this version. Yeah. So next we are going to import uh, uh, yeah, we're going to import this line, which is basically it's a implementation from Open Zeppelin. So we are importing the standard ERC20 code uh, from the Open Zeppelin GitHub. So basically, rather than writing all the code logic ourselves, we are using already audited and better tested implementation. This will give us transfer, balance, allowance, and all the standard ERC20 features for free. So next, I'm going to type contract demo token is ERC20. Yeah. So this line, we are declaring that our demo token that we're creating is ERC20 compatible token. So next, I'll type constructor. Sorry, uh, constructor ERC20. So this is the name of the token, and the symbol that we are going to use, we'll type it here next. So the token symbol will be demo. And now I'll just open this here, and I'll type unit 256. So here in this line, we are like using the like this is so this is basically a constructor. It will run only once when the contract is deployed, and the next line, we're just declaring the supply of the token that we're going to create. So here I'm just going to give 100 million tokens, and I'm going to say decimals, and was it okay this. Yeah. And so basically here we are just defining the total supply, and the next line, we're going to say mint msg dot sender supply and close it. Yeah. So this line, the mint line, this line actually creates the token. So it will mint the token and then send it to all the send all the tokens to the address which will deploy the contract. So now we have that. So yeah, so this is the whole code that we will be using today to mint and deploy a new token on Shardeum network. So now the next step is that we're going to compile it. So here, as we mentioned, 0.8.20 version. So you can use any like 0.8.20 or any version above that. So I'll go with the 8.30, and I'll just click compile. So here you can see a tick mark, which means your yeah, so your code was deployed, so compiled without any errors. So next we're going to deploy it and pay the fee, and yeah. So here just we just have to make sure that we are using you are so yeah, so the environment that we're using is injected provider, which is the metamask that we're going to use. So I'll just select the browser extension and metamask, and here just make sure that you are connected to the network that you want to deploy on. So I'll just double check which network I'm connected to. So yeah, um, so here you can see that I'm connected to EVM testnet, but we want to deploy it on Shardim mainnet. So I'll just switch it to the mainnet network. So once I've done that, we'll double check that the contract is the one that we've created, which is demo token.sol, and next we'll just click on deploy and verify. So this will prompt me a like a metamask transaction which I have to confirm and deploy the token. So now let's click on deploy and verify and make the transaction. Yeah, so I'm not sure if you are able to see the prompt, but I'll just confirm it. So here you can see the transaction was verified, and okay, so looks like there's some issue. Let me double check again. Okay, so yeah, so looks like the transaction was successful, but we still got some error. I'm not sure why, but yeah. So the transaction, the smart contract was triggered, and you can see that we have successfully created a new a demo token with with the max total supply that we set, which is around 1 million demo token. And now I can just if I want, I can just send it to anyone who I want, and even I can just add the token here. So I'll for to add this token, I'll just copy the smart contract, and I'll just add the token in my MetaMask wallet. So to do that, I'll just go to tokens and click on import tokens, and I'll just select the network that I am on, which is Shardium, and I'll just paste the token here, token smart contract here. So you can see it automatically will capture the token symbol, and I'll just click import, and you can see that we have a demo token with 1 million supply. And from here I can just simply start sending these tokens to anyone I want. So that's how you basically use Remix IDE to deploy a new token on Shardim. I hope everyone got to understand how to deploy a token. If you want to deploy your own token, you can deploy it and you can start sharing your smart contracts on Discord or Telegram. Thanks, everyone.
Yeah, if anybody wants to make us rich, let us know. But thank you so much, Shubham. Thank you so much for taking the time to show us how to create simple smart contracts, how to create your own token using the Shardium's now new EVM mainnet features. As you guys could see, it's not really different from what you are used to developing on your regular EVM smart contract. So building on Shardium has never been easy. Still, if you have any doubts, you can feel free to reach out to me or Shubham on the official Discord server of Shardium or on the Telegram channels. We would love to answer some of the questions however we can. With this, let's move on to our next point of agenda, folks. So, if you have been following Shardium, you know we've recently collaborated with NFTs to Me, and today we are going to do a short demo with uh, one more Nikhil on the stream, Nikhil Kumar in the house. He's going to show us how you can launch your own NFT collections for your community using NFTs to Me. So, hi Nikhil, how are you? Over to you. Let's start building.
Hey, hey, hi everyone.
By the way,
Thanks.
just to let you guys know, Nikhil is me from another timeline, so that's why you can't see him because if both of us are on the stream at the same time, the stream will explode. Just
Yeah,
kidding. Over to you, Nikhil.
thanks, thanks for that intro. Yeah. I hope my screen is visible. Yeah. So Dash app, and here, already instructed you, you need to have your endpoints, Shardium mainnet endpoints and the testnet endpoints both on whichever network you would like to deploy your NFT to. So I will start and deploy it on mainnet for now. So here there are three options. One, you can create a single NFT and make it a editions kind of thing. Like one NFT will can be like minted 100 times, 1,000 times, whatever times you like. You can also create a drop, there will be different forms of NFTs, and you can create each having different metadata. So that is called as a drop NFT. And the other, which will be, is called a generative art. So generative art is a combination of both, like different artworks and a token. It has a value attached to it. So yeah, for now we are moving ahead with deploying an additional Shardium mainnet. So first, when you come here, you can select the Shardium. You can also select on the testnet. If you are like, you can search here Shardium testnet. So here you can get Shardium mainnet and testnet both. I am currently deploying the NFT on Shardium mainnet. uh, First of all, you can name your project whatever project name you would like to have. So I'll name this Luminous, and the token symbol is fine to me, Lum. So that is good. You can write any descriptions, and there's also a create reward. Like any person who will mint an NFT, like your NFT, you will get 10,000 of SHM tokens as reward. That fee means that this amount will be deducted from the person and will be rewarded to you because you have created this token. So now I'm going to attach an image here. One sec. Got it. I've added an image, and you can now simply just click on deploy on Shardium. It will upload the image onto IPFS. So IPFS is a file storage system. It's a decentralized one. So yeah, when it is done uploading the image, we will have a pop-up for like paying the gas fee and all those things. So I don't know the pop-up is visible to me. It means you guys or not. So the network fee here it says is $0.11. So it's actually pretty low. So yeah, you guys can try it on mainnet, or if you guys want some hands-on experience, you can try it on the testnet too. You can simply go ahead and click on confirm. It will create the edition, and it will also give you a minting page URL. So you can go see, like, I have infinite supply of this NFT. So yeah, now I'll also tell you how to mint this NFT. Click on connect wallet, click on the desired wallet on which you have the mainnet and testnet uh, networks added to. I'm going to mint one NFT as of now. So I'll click on mint. It's $0.08 of network fee. Just that. Simply I'll confirm. So yeah, you can see as the transaction is successful. It's on the mainnet. So yeah, I must have like NFT in my wallet, tokens, NFTs. One sec. So yeah, there you go. I have an NFT which I just minted from my own URL. So yeah, you guys can also go ahead and try it out. The links is nfts2me.com/app. Apura or Nikhil Aparijit, you can share the link in the chat for them. So yeah, that's all.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Nikhil. Uh, why do I see an Infinity glitch?
Oh,
Yeah.
it's
Awesome. Thank you so much, Nikhil, for that wonderful demonstration. I hope you guys had fun understanding how to mint your own NFT collections. This is going to be super useful if you are a community leader and you want to create these NFTs for some sort of digital collectibles for your own community, for your own college campus clubs, for your own crypto Web3 Telegram group or something like that. This is an excellent way to do so. And as you could see, there is literally 0 lines of code that you have to write. It's a click of a few buttons and it's easy to get started with and easy to share it with the rest of the world as well. And now with generative AI, you can also use that aspect to create even more creative style of NFTs. So I hope that was real fun with you. Let's move on to next. So this is going to be a regular feature of all Shardeum Builder live streams, Builder R live streams, that we are going to bring on one or two of community project builders who've built projects on Shardium, and we are going to showcase this on our live stream. So one such builder here I have with me is Kush. He has built this Shardium PayFi hub. This was in
Hello.
part of one of the Shardium's PayFi mini hackathon. So hi Kush, you can explain what you built and you can tell us more about what your experience was building on Shardium.
Hello. Experience like this is good. Like we are building like a Sardinian PayFi ecosystem like the PhonePe. We are doing like a P2P billing, splitting, subscriptions, crowdfunding, and the campus economy. Whatever do like the PhonePe, we transaction do by the Sardinian tokens.
If I could ask you, like,
Uh,
with now the Shadium's EVM, so this was before EVM mainnet was launched and you were building this dApp. Now that we
yes.
have EVM functionality, what more would you like to add to your, like, is there any function that you would like to add to your dApp? What can you else would you want to do?
We am like to we want to add like the for the voting system like the nahi, sorry.
Got it. Oh, interesting. I think
Um,
with EVM, I think it's going to
okay.
be super easy for you to
Mm,
add that feature.
you know, yeah,
Yeah, Kush, you're saying something.
yeah, like, I
No
think.
worries.
Oh,
No worries. No
sorry.
worries. Okay.
So
So Kush and I met
I'm
actually at
lagging
a
and my network is slow. So
no worries, no worries. Kush and I actually met at a college hackathon that
mm,
we recently conducted in one of the cities in India, and that hackathon was kind of part of something bigger that we are planning in Shardium. So, Apurva, let's move on to our next discussion point, the next surprise point. I think some of the community members already know. Um, so, I have with me Aditya Karanjekar, who is also one of our OG community members, and we're going to discuss India on chain. So, as you guys saw, Kush has been part of the Indian developer ecosystem. He's participated in a local regional hackathon. Coming from the grassroots, building the project that he thought that he could solve for. That is our mission here at Shardeum as well. We are trying to get as many developers from here in India on chain as possible. Over the course of the next few months, we are going to come to your city and going to spend some time talking to devs there, conducting meetups, workshops, hackathons, overall trying to develop the Indian developer ecosystem. As you guys know, Indians are globally one of the largest crypto adopters, and we want those crypto adopters to also use dApps that have been originally built in this community, and which is why we are launching India on chain. So we are Apurva, can we quickly go through the AV, and then I will discuss a few points with Aditya about how his experience was with us. Awesome. Uh, That was awesome. That is proof of community for you. In short, we've been at it for years now. We've spent some time with the grassroots of the Indian developer ecosystem, trying to build the culture of Web3 in India. And that is going to be what we are going to do in this upcoming few months as well. I have Aditya with me. Hi, Aditya. How are you?
Hello, I'm good.
Thank you. So Aditya and I are from the same college, and we organized a hackathon. And so I organized a hackathon in my alma mater. Aditya was there helping me out organizing the stuff. Aditya, good to have you here.
Yeah,
How's things at college?
they are good. I actually
Awesome.
exams are coming.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Let's not go in exams then. I think
y-
everybody in the chat would be really nervous about examinations. I know I am. But yeah, I wanted to talk about how was your experience organizing the Shardium's, we were doing, I think, mini hackathons at that time. We
yeah.
did a 6 to 8 hour build. And that was a fun time for me, but I want to know your experience, how it was doing this in your college.
It was a really great experience. Actually, Shardeum mini hackathon. It was my first time. Uh, I really actually experienced some major things, how to create, how to, and I have managed so much crowd. So it was a really, really good experience, as I say.
Awesome.
Yeah,
And what was the audience's response like? I know a lot of participants were there. I think about 100 plus, 120 plus people participated in that and we had a very short promotion duration as well. And still these many showed up. And I think what 80% of them were first time builders. Um,
yeah.
so that was an amazing experience for me. How was the audience response to this event?
Audience response was good. Um, Uh, at first, many of the confused how to create, how to done, but slowly they began to adapt how to do it.
Awesome. I think
Yeah,
that's the mission, man.
yeah,
With India on chain, that's what we are going to do as well. There are already few cities like Chennai, Bangalore, Pondicherry, Nagpur, Mumbai that we have already set things in motion. We have organizers organizing campus workshops on their campuses. If you need to know more about this, we will be releasing more information. So keep following us on Twitter. You will get more clarity on how you can bring this into your own city, on your own campus. If you want to reach out to me, reach out to anybody on the Shardium team, and they can connect with you on how to bring India on chain. I think this is the message here, right here. what we have done with proof of community over the past few years is what we want to continue with India on chain with a much more revitalized energy in this program. And this is going to be pretty simple. We are first going to focus on first time builders, getting them on the ecosystem, on chain, on Shardeum, so that their first smart contract is developed through Shardeum. And then we are also going to focus on already pre-existing builders who are either building on EVM chains or non-EVM chains, and then trying to figure out how they can, jump onto our ecosystem, contribute to the overall EVM ecosystem and the Shardium ecosystem as a whole. That's going to be our mission. Our hope is that we can reach to as many cities, as many um, colleges and communities, however small they through this program. And sincerely hope that the largest crypto adopters of the world do also become the largest crypto builders of the world. Because I believe this largest crypto base also wants some desi masala to it, and this will be possible if own support. So yeah, I hope you guys join us in huge numbers and help us, bring in obviously large success to this event. With that, we come to
Uh,
the end.
I would love to take more events with Shardium uh, in time.
Awesome. And we
Yeah.
are going to collaborate a lot more, Aditya, because India on chain is
Yes.
on the rise. So we are going to reach out to you very, very soon. We
Yeah.
will need all the support from your community as well to, bring India on chain. Thank you so much,
Yes.
Aditya, for joining.
Yeah.
Awesome. And people, thank you so much for joining as well. But don't go yet, because in the comment section, you will be getting a surprise giveaway. Fill out the details, fill out the form in the comments, which will be live very soon. Apurva, let me know if it's in the chat. We'll also pin it onto the stream replay. So if you are, this will be live for a very short duration, about an hour or so. Fill out the form in the comments and become eligible for some surprise rewards. That is going to be our thank you for you attending this Builder Hour with us live. With that, we come to the end of stream. Thank you so much for joining. I see a lot of people here on the live stream. Thank you so much, folks, for taking out the time. These Builder Hours will be back again very, very soon. And hopefully we can have some more builders from the community here showcasing their projects in the future as well. I am hoping to see some mind-boggling EVM magic here on the Shardeum ecosystem. So I am very excited. I hope you guys are excited too. We will see you very, very soon again in the future. Bye-bye for now.